Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to find and install older or specific versions of Mysql Workbench. So let's get started. So for this, just Google download MySQL. You'll be having MySQL downloads. Click this, and here if you scroll down, you'll be having this MySQL community GPL downloads. Click this, and in this select MySQL installer for Windows. And this is the latest version, and at the top you'll be having this archives. Select this, and here the product version, just click on this drop down, and we'll be having all the old versions available. For example, this is the current version, and if I go for something like 8.0.11, here you can see this is from April 16, 2018, and we are having two things. One is the MSI installer for web, another one MSI MySQL installer community. So I would recommend you to go with the community version, don't go with the web. So just click on download. That's the video, guys. I hope you have found this useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.